and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're excited to share with you a simple yet elegant technique to elevate your table setting, the double napkin technique. Let's start with the first napkin, folding it into half and then into half again. Take the floral napkin and repeat the same process of folding it into two halves. Once you are done, you put the two folded napkins together and slide the napkin ring in between those two napkins. Place the napkin ring in the center to hold both the napkins together. Place the double napkins on the plate, creating a beautiful base for your table setting. Repeat the process for each plate, adding a touch of elegance to your table. So the aim is to get like a bow tie type of feel on your placing. So when you're placing it, you just want it to be a double bow tie. So let's repeat the process. Fold it the first time and fold it again, and then do the same thing and lift it and take it to your plate. And then once you put it on the plate, you fold it within the plate. And here's the final result: a stunning table setup with double napkins and their napkin rings. Easy yet impressive. Thank you for watching. Try the double napkin technique for your next dinner or special occasion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more table setting ideas and tutorials.